So I think a storm might actually be happening today. Hello?
This is an urgent message from William Carey University. Please shelter immediately away from doors and windows.
Ground floor, possibly. Honestly, yeah, let's start running. Get on it.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss weather. It's actually awful. As you can clearly see if you look outside, there are gushing winds of...
So Eli's emerged from the tornado. How was it?
I didn't get lifted, and that's a
Yes,
problem.
you did. I know you did. I peed myself, guys.
Kind of just want to like make a cool transition right here. Ready?
So we're at Walgreens right now, and Ben is apparently buying something that I'm gonna make fun of him for, and so I figured I should probably document it just in case. Is that actually it?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Wait, give me this, give me this. I'm so confused. Why is it a literal broomstick?
It's a broom. Look, smell this.
It smells like cinnamon.
Yeah, it's so nice, is it not?
That is so weird.
It's so smart though. It's brilliant.
I feel like this might be a joke.
All right, let's go. Safety third. Whee! I know it doesn't smell like anything yet, but just give it a second.
No, it smells like a lot. It smells like a lot.
I don't smell anything yet.
Awful.
It's you don't like it? Check it out the window right now. Why do you always have a camera on you? Like, why are you always recording? You know? Like, no one needs to see us driving.
Why are you always mad at me?
I'm not mad at you. You can't. Like, why are you still, like...
Why are you just so rude all the time?
I'm
like,
not...
There's no reason to be this rude.
You're the one that just randomly records people and posts it on YouTube without their consent. Do you know how much content?
Actually, I have consent forms in a binder. Do you want to see them? They're all signed.
Yes,
you signed one.
I never signed anything.
You signed one, and I literally put it in your face, and you signed it.
I didn't sign anything.
You never listen to me or pay attention or anything. You don't even remember anything that I say.
All you're worried about is getting it for the content, getting it for the vlog.
So we're at this really sketchy gas station right now. It literally only has like the one pump. And the non-American here, he doesn't really understand gas stations in America. Pretty sure there's a drug deal happening over there, if we're being honest, and he's like guarding the truck or whatever. I'm not really sure what's going on there, but he's foreign. I mean, he hasn't really yet learned what gas stations to go to and what not to go to, and this is definitely one of those not to go to, but it's fine. We're not going to talk about it. I don't want to be awake right now. It has been a while. It has been a really long time. I have been working on school literally all morning for this one class. I have been doing like my book-based classes, so I have to like read a lot, and I'm still not even done with any of it. But I just finished like these cards that I have to write for one of the classes. I have to go to class now. failing so hard today. This is just, it's not my day, but I just went to improv, and despite forgetting the book that I have to use to discuss at my dorm, I managed to make a 100 on the discussion because I was able to like actually remember what I read this morning. I just got out of my teaching methodologies class, successfully completed all of my book reports, taught an 8-count phrase without speaking successfully, and and now I am going to Eli's house for a party. This is Eli Parker, by the way, and I quote, "the better Eli."
I'm the better Eli.
What's going on?
You and your boy are also allowed.
Hey,
We're like the
yeah, boy, follow the nut. No girls. Michael's just chillaxing.
Tyler.
I have to just, yes.
No,
Get over here, yes.
Football. I won't take this. Hey, me like. That is not fun. Good morning, America. Today we have our special guest, Donald Trump. That's gotta be a bit. Hey, yo, I have to say, someone was fondling me. Hey, yo. Eli, got it clean. Where's the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Okay. Cleanliness is always important. Follow me. Oh my goodness! You stole my cat. Who's in there?
Lee and Bez.
I made him top, bro. Take that.
But like around.
Right next to you? That no, the other thing to your left. What?
We don't talk about that.
No.
Is that cultural?
Garlic sauce on
No,
that.
it's not cultural.
Melted cheese.
I just like sour
That
cream.
is really
I
good.
honestly didn't want the chips, but. Don't get the drinks from. Hey, get back.
Later.
Get back, you wild animal.
Bro, I left outside in the library.
Outside?
Freaking animal.
I mostly play acoustic.
Thing.
Wait, Spider-Man does this, right?
Does what?
I heard it later. He got a box. Chick-fil-A sauce. Ain't no way.
That's Romania and the
Alright, drum roll, please.
Bro, watch the camera.
Hey. This is uncut. This is why you need to donate into the lighting movement.
Are you taking it? I'm gonna cry.
I swear I didn't do it. I did.
Michael, is this goodbye forever, or?
No, I'm never leaving. This is my home now.
For sure.
Okay.
For sure. Sick. No, I don't own Cleveland.
Until next time.
No!
What?